In the vast cradle of a newborn star, clouds of dust and gas begin their silent, graceful dance of creation. Gravity stirs the void, drawing particles together, weaving invisible threads that spin destiny into form. Chaos, order emerges, tiny fragments collide, merge, and grow within the blazing light of their stellar parent. Each impact sings a note of heat and motion, a cosmic symphony shaping stone from starlight. Dust becomes rock, rock becomes mountain slowly. A planet stirs within its embryonic shell of molten chaos. Magnetism awakens, iron sinks deep, forging a fiery heart that beats beneath the molten skin of dawn. Volcanic storms, rage plumes of fire and lightning sculpt the atmosphere, seeding chemistry where life's first whispers will one day ride. Meteorites rain endlessly, delivering water, carbon, and the essential sparks that would soon define possibility. The surface cools slowly, oceans of magma solidify, releasing breath into a thin veil of newborn atmosphere. In that fragile silence, a new world takes its first unseen breath, its story only just beginning. A newborn planet spins faster, its rotation stretching the surface, sculpting mountains and valleys beneath glowing cloud. Gravity molds perfection, rounding the edges of chaos, turning a molten sphere into the symmetry of celestial geometry. Fragments left behind form a shimmering ring, each stone tracing orbits in rhythmic harmony with its parent. One fragment grows larger, captured by gravity's pull, destined to become the moon that steadies its maker's spin. The two bodies dance locked in eternal embrace, their tides carving patterns across still cooling oceans of fire. Lightning pierces the clouds, splitting atoms, forming molecules, the first whispers of chemistry that will rewrite existence. Hydrogen and oxygen unite, water falls as vapor cools and settles into shimmering lakes across a dark newborn crust. Comets arrive, their icy tails delivering oceans, their impacts sculpting continents in bursts of molten brilliance. Steam thickens into clouds, storms circle endlessly, wrapping the world in a silver-blue cocoon of potential. In cosmic time, mere moments pass, and yet from chaos and fire, a world capable of dreams has formed. The storm's quiet, gradually oceans settle, revealing continents of glowing stone beneath newborn sky. Day and night begin their rhythm, guided by rotation, marking time for the first time upon its surface. The planet's crust cools, further cracks open deep scars, where molten rivers still whisper beneath. Volcanoes erupt rhythmically, releasing gas and steam, forging the breath of an atmosphere dense with promise. Rain falls endlessly, oceans deepen, valleys flood, carving canyons that glisten under the faint glow of distant stars. Lightning still dances, striking iron-rich plains, forging minerals and compounds that shimmer with future potential. The air thickens, clouds drift gently, filtering sunlight into a golden haze that softens the world's fierce beginnings. Pressure and time sculpt beauty mountain chains rise slowly, their shadows stretching across the sleeping continents. The moon above glows softly, its gravity guiding tides, stabilizing the planet's young, fragile rotation. Now balance reigns, the world no longer chaos, but cradle waiting silently for life to spark beneath the endless stars. Within deep oceans, minerals dissolve, drifting like thoughts in silence, forming the chemical seeds of everything yet to come. Volcanoes beneath the sea exhale warmth, feeding chemical reactions that flicker between chaos and the first hint of structure. In those depths, molecules align by chance, yet purpose emerges as if the universe experiments with the blueprint of life. The planet stabilizes, its magnetic field wrapping around like invisible armor, shielding it from the star's fierce breath. Auroras dance above poles, ribbons of light shimmering, where energy meets protection, a planetary heartbeat glowing against the void. Meteor impacts slow, space quiets, and calm returns, a fragile peace allowing elements to mingle and evolve. Continents drift, guided by molten currents below, reshaping oceans and mountains in an endless, slow rhythm of renewal. Thunderstorms rage above warm seas, lightning flashing like thought through the atmosphere, awakening potential in every raindrop. From those waters, carbon chains twist and split, repeating endlessly, the quiet rehearsal for what the cosmos calls life. Above, the young sun burns steadily, its light steady, now nurturing the cradle it once tried to destroy. The sky begins to clear, revealing endless horizons, blue oceans, reflecting the young sun's patient gaze. Clouds drift gently, no longer violent, painting the atmosphere in hues of gold, amber, and pale silver light. The air thickens with stability, oxygen and nitrogen swirling together in balance for the first time. Tides move rhythmically under the moon's pull, sculpting coasts and currents that whisper across an untouched shoreline. Volcanoes calm, their fire now buried deep, replaced by gentle mists rising from hidden warmth below. Rain falls softly now, nurturing soil formed from shattered stone, cooling the planet's fever into quiet equilibrium. Continents breathe beneath mist. Rivers carve veins through the land, linking mountain and ocean in one continuous motion. The magnetic field hums steadily, deflecting radiation, preserving the fragile balance between chaos and continuity. Lightning still dances, but not with rage. It now forges molecules, bridging energy and matter in delicate equilibrium. From molten fury to tranquil grace, the world has become a sanctuary, its heartbeat steady, awaiting the next miracle. Deep within ancient seas, energy stirs again, molecules collide and fuse, forming fleeting patterns of order amid chaos. Heat from volcanic vents meets cold currents, birthing chemistry that pulses like a primitive heartbeat beneath the waves. Electric storms above mirror reactions below, lightning striking oceans, creating bonds that bridge the living and the inert. Amid that turbulence, the first self-replicating molecules emerge, fragile, fleeting, yet relentless in their will to persist. Tiny membranes form, enclosing life's earliest experiments, protecting their spark from the raw violence of creation. These microscopic pioneers drift through sunlit waters, absorbing energy, dividing endlessly, tracing the earliest rhythm of survival. The oceans darken with potential countless forms, competing, combining, rewriting the laws that bind matter into motion. Slowly, chemistry becomes memory. Replication becomes adaptation, the first hint of evolution, stirring beneath alien sky. Above, continents shift and breathe, volcanoes exhale softly, while storms nurture the delicate balance, sustaining this fragile beginning. What was once chaos now whispers harmony, a symphony of elements composing the first verse of life's eternal song. Sunlight filters through clear waters, illuminating floating cells, tiny worlds within worlds, alive in purpose yet unaware of their destiny. Time stretches millions of years in a heartbeat, as evolution crafts complexity from repetition, turning simplicity into wonder. Chemical whispers become networks. Cells learn to cooperate, sharing energy and information in a silent, universal dialogue. On the surface, tectonic plates grind and shift, shaping continents while feeding minerals back into the growing ocean. Volcanoes breathe rhythmically, releasing gases that enrich the air, carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen, weaving the thread of atmosphere. Storms still roll across continents, but now they nourish, rather than destroy, rain-feeding rivers that carve paths toward the sea. Life diversifies unseen, hidden in depths, colonies forming mats, layers of photosynthetic organisms, exhaling the planet's first true breath. The sky transforms gradually, colors shifting as oxygen fills the air, painting dawn in deeper shades of blue. The world stabilizes, oceans glimmer calm, mountains stand silent, and light scatters gently through crystalline air. This is the age of balance, where chaos becomes rhythm, and the foundations of all future life quietly take root. Eons unfold, continents drift apart, oceans deepen, and the planet's rotation slows into the steady rhythm of maturity. Volcanic heat fades beneath crusted plains, leaving fertile ground enriched with the ashes of creation. Rain and sunlight weave harmony, rivers shimmer like veins across a living body of stone and sea. The air grows clearer, the light softer, as the planet settles into quiet confidence, a home sculpted by time. From molten birth to tranquil grace, the world stands complete, its surface whispering stories written in dust, water, and wind. Above, the young star burns steadily, its warmth no longer destructive, but nurturing life's first gentle teacher. The moon still watches, marking the passage of endless nights, guiding tides that echo through the planet's eternal heartbeat. Clouds drift lazily now, their shadows dancing across the continents, a sign that the chaos has finally given way to order. The planet glows with quiet pride, its scars hidden beneath beauty, a monument to persistence, balance, and cosmic patience. And as the star rises once more, a silent promise endures. This world is ready to dream.